Okay, so now we've looked at the warm-up. The learning intention today is, can I learn the 2 times tables? Alright, so we need to be learning the 2 times tables, the 5 times tables, the 10 times tables, and also we can try and learn 3 times tables. Alright, but today's the focus on 2 times. So we can solve multiplication questions quickly and accurately. So the thing we need to remember when we're looking at the 2 times tables, skip counting. So if it's the 2 times tables, we'll skip counting in twos, and we also need to think about the even numbers. Alright, all of the 2 times tables are even numbers, okay, and those even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Okay, so any number, for example, if I chose 56, that is in the 2 times tables because it ends in a 6. Okay,